Kapag inabutan ng dilim, lipat naman tayo dito sa lugar na may Christmas theme. Pasok sa budget ang 85 pesos na entrance fee. Patulog na ang araw, pero hudyat pa lang daw yan ng maningning na Kapaskuhan.
Meron din kami ngayong Christmas Village. Nag-open lang last November 5. Nag-decide lang yung family na ilabas yung collections nila and also magdagdag ng ibang mga Christmas attractions dito sa Tres Hijos. And hindi namin inasahan na magugustuhan pala siya ng mga tao dito. So meron kami, syempre, ang pinaka-highlight is our 60 feet giant Christmas tree with 70,000 lights.
Kakapasok lang natin dito sa Christmas Village sa tinitirahan nating resort. And normally, they open or they pretty much light the place up from 5 p.m. and then they close it to 11 p.m. or until may tao pa. It's a weekday and kitang-kita na marami ng tao actually. But syempre, as expected, kapag weekends, mas maraming tao, mas syempre, grupo-grupo yung all ages.
Napanood namin to sa sa Facebook and then na-attract kami sa ganda po ng pagka-shoot ng video.
Maugmang Pasko! Hindi lang mga lokal lang narito yung iba, kagaya rin nating turista.
Kami ay taga Iloilo at bumisita ng aming family dito.
It's like a Christmas wonderland.
Parang it feels like home at the same time. Nagse-celebrate ka ng Christmas. So it's like celebrating with family and friends.
It is pretty legit in terms of IG-worthy pictures and videos. We are just experiencing one tunnel of, well, I guess this is only the one very bright and colorful tunnel. The coconut trees are also covered with Christmas lights. So in general, it is a legit Christmas place to go to kapag gabi dito sa Albay. What a legit Christmas village experience, Bieros! Kung sa Batangas may lomi overload, dito sa Legazpi Albay, meron namang beef pares mami overload o isa pagkaputok-batok. Ang Christmas caroling ng Albay, Palavarndal,